Hello, thanks for tuning in. I'm Kelly Morris with Savannah Technical College's Career Services. Today we're going to chat through a guide to searching for employment opportunities. We're going to give you an overview of career services. We're going to chat through ways to connect, and my favorite ways to connect with employers, including Career Connections, which is Savannah Technical College's virtual career fair, or career board, rather. We'll show you LinkedIn, which is a really powerful tool to help connect you with employment opportunities. And we're also going to chat through some really cool features that Google offers as far as setting up job alerts, take some of the searching out for you. And then we'll, of course, have some questions and opportunities for you to answer or ask questions via email later. So Savannah Technical College's Career Services assists students, alumni, and employers by creating opportunities for connections to be made. From a student services standpoint, our services include career counseling, job search assistance, interviewing and resume assistance. We also facilitate career fairs, campus tours for industry leaders, and any other career-related services. Our goal is to connect our students and graduates with employment opportunities. We do this by assisting students and graduates in editing their resumes and cover letters. We share resources and knowledge. We facilitate networking opportunities. We host workshops, kind of like we're doing right now. And we also do one-on-one individual coaching where students can make an appointment and receive individual career counseling. I'll have more info on that at the end. So, without further ado, let's chat through my favorite tools right now for seeking employment opportunities. So what you see now, I've already logged into Career Connections, which, as I mentioned earlier, is our virtual job board. And so I'll have another, there will be another presentation that you can review on how to make an account. But for right now, I want to show you what the interface looks like. So you logged in. This is the landing page. And then up here are the job descriptions. And so you can set, when you create your account, you can set your major. Because this is an account that I use to show people how the program works, I've left it open. So it's literally feeding all of the jobs, include everything from deckhands to pre-K teachers to LPNs. Got some great opportunities for part-time and full-time positions. But the really cool thing is you can log in and you can set up, you can look for jobs that are available. So you can search, use the search function, or you can use the search function at the top. But for right now, let's look here, a previous search. Let's look for CNAs. So right now, there are 4 companies who have reached out to the college and who've said, hey, we want to hire your students. And so you can click on these positions. They've got full and part-time available. It gives you the overview. And then you can apply directly through. You upload your resume, and then you can add a quick note to the recruiter if you'd like, and then you simply submit. And that's it. It's an incredibly user-friendly, intuitive tool. I tell most people, if you can manage social media profiles, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, you can manage to use these job tools. They're great. You can look at local employers here. It'll tell you who's hiring. It's just a quick overview. You can also sign in with your LinkedIn account. So let's pop over to LinkedIn and look at it. Let's go to my profile. So Career Connections functions very similarly to LinkedIn. And they're compatible. So this is just my profile. As you can see, I have a professional headshot here. So it's polished and poised, and then just a happy background. I give an overview of I'm a professional communicator, and I'm obsessed with connecting individuals with opportunities, new experiences, and health and wellness. And then, of course, it runs through my this is my personal dashboard, but it runs through, work experience, current, past, present. You give opportunity to include work samples and types of work you've done. You can include school projects, graphic design, anything that you're proud of, and any professional accomplishments that you have. I have my education listed, licenses and certifications, It's a really powerful tool to promote yourself and to market yourself. But what I want to chat through today is how to use the job search feature. Here's some searches that I've done previously, as you can see when I've been helping students look for jobs. Here, let's look at medical coder. So there's several ways to tailor your post. If you're like, I'm strictly looking in the greater Savannah area when I'm helping most of our students and graduates. But I did a quick search and I created a search for medical coders, and then they all populate here. You can apply directly through LinkedIn. So I found my past position before I joined the team here at the college through LinkedIn. I did just what we just showed you. I logged in, I got my profile updated, I set my parameters for my job experience, and you can move through all of them. If you're looking for, you can search for specific companies. Here, let's take this out and just see what jobs are available period in the Savannah region. But you can filter by, if you're strictly looking for internships, filter by internships. You can look at entry-level positions, associate level, mid-senior level, director, and executives. You can look at companies. There's a ton of companies, but if you know what company specifically you're wanting to look for, so let's look at Memorial Health. Memorial Healthcare System, just to give an example. Nothing's showing up. I have some alerts. It's pulling any alert that I have on, but you can look for remote work. Let's clear this out. But it's a really, really, really neat tool. You can set up job functions for here. I was looking for commercial truck driving positions previously, and you can just turn the alert on, and it gives you the option to receive an alert daily or weekly. If you're in the middle of a job search and you're actively seeking employment, I would recommend daily. It gives you the opportunity to receive email directly to your inbox, whatever email you use to create the account, or you can just receive notifications via LinkedIn, or of course you can get both. It's whatever your preference is. So for this one, we will just do notifications on LinkedIn. And I'm just going to set it at weekly just to give you the option. And that way, once a week, I will get a notification of any jobs that posted. The cool thing about LinkedIn is it sometimes will show you salary ranges. So this is a company that's offering a $2,000 sign-on bonus, and the range is $58,000 to $78,000. Heavy equipment operator, but it runs through it. And like I said, you can apply directly to the position. It's super, super cool. It's an incredible tool. I encourage you to make an account no matter what field of study you're in. Create the account and then start connecting with employers. Let me see if I can show you my network. So in my network is people who I've met previously, connections who have reached out and want to connect with me. It's a really cool tool for networking within your chosen field of study. All right, so now let's chat about Google. Let's chat about the opportunity to use Google as a search engine, or Google the search engine as a way to help you with jobs. So for this position, for this sake of this presentation, I've signed into my Google account, so my Gmail account. So you sign into Gmail. I did a search for LPN jobs in Savannah, and then I hit search. And so what it did is pulled up all the jobs. So I hit search jobs from web, and then you can save them to your Google account. So anytime you log in, and then of course you can turn an alert on if you want to as well. You can email the job to yourself, but I recommend just saving it. Well, there it is. So save the job, and then you can come back to it whenever you want and apply for it later. Sometimes Google will link you out to other positions, so it'll link you to direct. I always recommend applying for the position directly. So this position is at Pruitt Health. I recommend going directly to Pruitt Health and applying for that job there through their portal. But there's many options, and like I said, you can set up alerts. It will allow you to view your saved jobs. You set up alerts for any position that you want. You can review any of the old past jobs. And And it's just really cool. It's a great tool. I encourage you to use it. I encourage you to check it out. We can look for other positions. You can set the parameters. So let's see. Let's look for medical coder. Sorry, y'all, can't type. Just to see what's out there as well. Medical coding jobs. There we go. Keywords matter, guys. But again, you can still do the same thing. You can set, if you're looking for remote options, if you're looking for connections, let's look at work from home positions here in Savannah. There you are. Any of these, and then you can just start applying. It's a super cool tool. It takes the work and quite frankly some of the work. As you know, if you're looking for a job, it can be a part-time position to apply for jobs. But this kind of using these tools allows you to set up alerts and have the alerts do the work for you, so that the jobs literally get sent to your inbox, and then it's just a matter of sending them your resume and cover letter and applying directly. It's truly great. All the opportunities that are available to us for searching for jobs. And so if you want specific assistance, I'm happy to help. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Pardon me. So you can reach me. That's me, Kelly Morris. I'm the Career Services Coordinator for the college. And you can feel free to shoot me an email at kmorris.edu. That's KMORRIS at savannatech.edu. SAVANNAHTECH.edu. Morris at savannatech.edu. I'm happy to help. We're here to serve, and we look forward to connecting you with your future. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks.